I believe that an unplugged approach is more holistic because it has the potential to attend to more dimensions of the learner's personalities and lives as people, and to more dimensions of their language learning needs. I believe it's based on paying attention to who they are and what they want to talk about first, and then helping them to draw out the language they need to do that second. It's people first, and it's looking at the person, at the learner, not as someone just at a point in an educational journey through a syllabus and towards an exam, which is so often the kind of biggest focus within the syllabus and the curriculum, but looking at them as people at a point in their lives with all sorts of things happening outside the classroom that are important in themselves and which can be brought into the classroom as a kind of stimulus. I think for a teacher to be present in the classroom, or to be fully present, because we're always physically present, it means being present in all our dimensions as teachers. So not just physically there and kind of organizing, in some cases almost administrating the coursework, taking people through the lesson plan and the syllabus. It means being emotionally present, to notice, pay attention to, respond to individual and group needs on a given day in a given situation. And it means being mentally present as English language teaching professionals, so that we're not confined to what we know we're going to teach based on the lesson plan or the coursebook, but open to all the possibilities that present themselves in the course of our interaction with the learners. So being present in the classroom means building on our physical presence, building on our organizational function, and focusing on our relational function to the people in the room, to their lives, to their interests, and then to the possibilities for interaction that will suggest.